In this lesson, we're going to look again, although we've already seen this once, we're going to look again at equations that have all real numbers or no solution as their answers. So remember, when all variables are eliminated, look at the remaining statement with only real numbers. If it is true, example, 5 equals 5, then the answer is all real numbers, or it might be said as infinite solutions. If it is false, example, 7 equals 0, then the answer is no solution. Okay, so now we're going to look at that with some more problems. All right, the first one, I have 56x plus 10 is equal to 7, parentheses, 7x plus 1, close, plus 7x plus 3. So it looks pretty long and complicated, and what that means is we've probably got more steps of simplifying. All right, on the left, there's nothing for me to simplify, so I keep 56x plus 10 equals distributive property. 7 times 7x is 49x. 7 times 1 is 7. I have a plus 7x plus a 3. I'm going to look at this right-hand side. I have 49x and 7x for 56x. I have 7 and 3 for 10. Well, on the left, I also have 56x plus 10. All right, you notice the left is the same as the right, but let's go ahead and proceed. We would subtract 56x because we have variables on both sides, and that leaves me with 10 is equal to 10. Variables are gone. Look at the statement. It is true. The answer, let's look over here. There is not a unique answer. The solution is all real numbers. Okay, so 10's not the answer. True's not the answer. The statement, the solution is all real numbers. That's an infinite number of answers. That's the answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. All right. Oops. I have 8 parentheses, x plus 2 minus a 1 is equal to 2x plus 6 parentheses, 3 plus x. All right. I have distributive property. 8x plus 16 minus 1. Let's finish simplifying the left-hand side. Keep the 8x. 16 minus 1 is a positive 15. On the right side, bring down the 2x. Distribute. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times x is 6x. Combine like terms. I have 8x plus 18. All right. Now, I have variables on both sides. When I try to eliminate one of them, I end up eliminating both of them, and I'm left with 15 equals 18, which is false. That's not the answer, but that's an indicator that there is no solution. All right, now I have 26x plus 6 is equal to 4 times 5x plus 3 plus 6x minus 6. All right, keep the 26x plus 6. Let's simplify on this right-hand side. Distributive property, 20x plus 12 plus 6x minus 6. I have 20x plus 6x is 26x. I have 12 minus 6 is positive 6. Over here I have 26x plus 6. Variables on both sides. Eliminating one of them means that you eliminate both of them. In this case, leaving you with a true statement. All right, that means the solution is all real numbers, which is an infinite number of solutions. Let's see if we've got maybe just one more. I have 7 parentheses x minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 3x plus 4 parentheses negative 2 plus x. You can see that when the author makes up these problems, she has a tendency to make them look very complicated, and it's just a matter of more simplifying. Distributive property, I have 7x minus 14 plus 8, which is 7x. Negative 14 and positive 8 is negative 6. On the right-hand side, I keep the 3x. I distribute the 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. I'm not going to put plus negative 8. 4 times x is 4x. Combine like terms. I have 3x and 4x for 7x minus 8. Variables on both sides. Subtract 7x. Negative 6 is equal to negative 8. Well, that's false. So there's no solution. So you simplify, and if the variables drop out, you look at the remaining statement with numbers to determine whether it's true or false, and that indicates your answer in these special equations.